it's time to return to the great tomb of Nazareth. But when exactly will we see Annie's all gone again? Let's break down the latest news about Overlord Season 5 and the much awaited Sacred Kingdom movie. Hello everyone, this is Sarah Senpai. Please like, share and subscribe. Overlord has become one of the most beloved dark fantasy isekai anime series, known for its intense world building, epic battles, and the complex mind of Ainz as he expands his dominion. The last time we saw him was in Overlord Season 4, which concluded with Ainz continuing his iron-fisted yet calculated rule, having crushed the re-established kingdom and reshaped the political map of the new world. This ending has set the stage for even more ambitious move in the next season. Before Season 5, fans will get the Overlord Holy Kingdom arc, Sacred Kingdom movie, which adapts one of the most action-packed arcs from the light novels. While no official global date has been locked in, the film is expected to premiere in Japan in late 2025 with a global release likely in early 2026. This movie is a key bridge between Season 4 and 5, so it's a must-watch for continuity. Season 5 is set to adapt the next light novel arcs, following the Sacred Kingdom storyline, like pushing Ainz into even more dangerous and morally complex territory. Expect political intrigue, massive battles, and potential revelations about other players trapped in the world. The main reason we haven't seen Season 5 yet is production scheduling at Madhouse. Combined with the focus on completing the Sacred Kingdom movie first, the studio has been working to ensure both the film and the next season maintain the high quality Overlord is known for. With the Sacred Kingdom movie arriving between late 2025 and early 2026, Overlord Season 5 is likely to premiere in the late 2026 or early 2027. The timeline allows the story to flow naturally from the movie into the events of the new season. Some final thoughts. Overlord Return will be worth the wait between the highly anticipated movie and the epic continuation into Season 5. Ainz's conquest of the new world is far from over. Whether you are here for the political mind games, the intense battles, or the sheer power fantasy, the wait is almost over.